Okay guys, welcome back. Today is December 4th. We are going to open door number 4 in our advent calendar. Okay, this is number 4. This is an authentic hot sauce, Silver Bell's signature number 4 wasabi hot sauce. On the side it says, given to Santa by an ancient Tandai monk on his travels to Japan. This fourth sauce is sure to excite your senses. Silver Bell's signature provides a pungent heat, often likened to the flavor of horseradish. Open it up, now shake it. Put some in the spoon. First I'm going to give it a smell. Definitely pick up the vinegar. Smells like cayenne. I'm not getting a lot of horseradish, but it's pretty good. It tastes very good. Let's take a look at the box to see what the ingredients are. All right, here is number 4, Silver Bell's signature hot sauce. Distilled white vinegar, cayenne pepper, salt, wasabi powder, xanthan gum, and ascorbic acid and citrus acid. So that's basically the same ingredients as the last two, except for it has wasabi powder added into it, which adds a really nice taste. So overall, this is a basic Tabasco Louisiana hot sauce with a wasabi powder added into it. And I really like the flavor of it. I think next time I make a hot sauce, I will add wasabi powder into it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and join me tomorrow for number 5.